Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, guys. It's your boy Zay here bringing you another episode of Only Hustling Game. And in this episode, we're going to be giving you a quick update on OZSC with some news information that just came out a few days ago. This looks really good for the company, and although it did not have a huge implication on the stock price itself, nothing fluctuated crazily. It didn't go up 5 cents or 10 cents or drop or anything like that. It's just a really good look for the company right now, and it just again shows that OZSC is moving in the right direction by continually coming out with news for its investors. I like the fact that they've been a lot more consistent in releasing news information, because there for a little bit there wasn't any kind of news coming out for a while. So right here, this guy's on Yahoo Finance is talking about Ozop Energy Solutions to introduce EV protection products. And I really like this, guys, because as you guys know, with this whole EV sector going like crazy, we're about to go into 2022, and it's not gonna be anything but growth for these this sector. So right here it's talking about Ozop Plus is working to respond to not only fill the gap of manufacturer's warranty, but to bring added value to EV owners through an extended warranty product, as well as utilize our partnerships and strength in the renewable energy market to offer unique and innovative services. So among EV owners' concerns are the EV battery repair and replacement costs, range anxiety, environmental responsibilities, roadside assistance, and the accelerated wear on additional components that EV vehicles experience. So right here, Ozop Plus has nearly completed the process of creating a warranty that provides electrical vehicle owners peace of mind by assembling a team included but not limited to traditional carriers that create an AM Best financial rating strength of A. Excellent. So excellent ratings. All right, so let's talk about that for a little bit, guys. I am not an electric vehicle owner. I don't own a Tesla or anything like that, so I'm not really quite sure what kind of warranties or extended warranties go into owning a Tesla, how that works exactly. But obviously from this article, there are concerns for different types of warranties out there for the actual battery itself, as well as other kind of components. And I'm sure with Ozop Energy coming into this and shedding light on it, and potentially coming out with a great warranty plan, it's not only going to cover a specific type of vehicle, it's going to be across all different types of electric vehicle batteries and stuff like that. I definitely see this being a really good look for the company, like I said. And if they can make this happen, then it's sure to be a good catalyst for the stock moving forward. Now lately, guys, any kind of news information that Ozop has released hasn't really been a huge hasn't had a huge influence on the stock price itself. When it was announced that they were looking to work with Tesla, order the Tesla battery packs and stuff like that, it did have some kind of effect on the price of the stock. But right here, guys, the more important message is just that the company itself is moving in the right directions, and they're actively working on getting things done, and overall it's moving the company in the right direction, which hopefully over time will start to move that stock price over. Now again, OZSC is on the OTC markets. Right now it is trading under 5 cents. I believe the last time I looked at it, it was about 3.0337, something like that. So of course right now, if you guys kept up with my videos, then you guys know that I am down considerably on it, considering that my cost basis is 7 cents per share. So I'm down like 50% on my portfolio when it comes to OZSC. But that's okay, guys, because for one, this penny stock right here is something that I have a really strong conviction in. And for me, kind of believing in the EV sector and where we're headed going into 2022, I feel like OZSC has nothing but growth available. They seem to be executing very, very well. I just made a video not too long ago talking about their partnership with Hyde Engineering, how they're looking to get into building the Neo Grid, which was a proof of concept design that they originally had planned. So all of this, guys, it's just really good news. It's a really good look for the company, and I hope that they continue to keep progressing and moving forward with everything that they got planned with electric vehicles and the Neo Grid and everything else that they're working on. I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into my position, hopefully bringing that cost basis down even more. That way, guys, when this stock goes crazy, we would have made more and more of a 5x, 10x, whatever it continues to go to. We've seen it before, guys, happen with these penny stocks, where stocks were literally trading in like the 20-cent range or the 15-cent range, and they went crazy past the dollar, past $2. Ticker symbol CEI, Camber Energy is a great example of that as well. And so, guys, this is just something to where, again, none of this is financial advice, but with these penny stocks, there is definitely potential there in some of them, and that's just something that you got to keep an eye out. Just because it's valuation or whatever the actual total market cap is for the stock isn't right where we would want it to be, there's nothing wrong with looking at stocks that are considered speculative, really diving into them, researching what kind of company is really behind it, like who is behind it, the team, what are they working on, what's their roadmap, what's their end goal. And you know, if they consistently put out good news, such as like OZSC has been doing lately, they've been on a pretty good run of every other month coming out with something new that's just really looking good for the company. Hopefully it'll transfer over to the balance sheet and the financials will start to perform as well. But right now, guys, I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was really cool information. And like I said, I'm going to continue to build a position in OZSC as well. I really do feel like it's one of those sleeping giants that's just bound to, at one point in time, just take off like crazy. And I'm going to definitely ride the wave on that one. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got for this video. It's your boy Zay, bringing you another episode of Only Hustle and Game. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, guys, and ring that notification bell. That way you know every time I post a video, and we can, you know, keep growing together, keep learning about these stocks